Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we dive into another fascinating word. Our word for today is candidate. It's a B1 level noun meaning a person applying for a job. So, a candidate is simply someone who wants a job and has applied for it. We often hear this word during election times, but today we're focusing on its use in the workplace. For example, imagine a company is looking for a new marketing manager. The people who apply for that position are the candidates. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to candidate. We can use applicant as a synonym. For instance, she is one of the most promising applicants for the position. Another synonym is contender, like there were several strong contenders vying for the award. Now, let's look at some words with opposite meanings, our antonyms. Someone who is the opposite of a candidate would be someone already holding the position. A good antonym here would be incumbent. For example, the incumbent has years of experience in the role. Another opposite would be the employee, the person who already has a job. The company held a retreat for all of its employees. You'll often find candidate in everyday situations related to job seeking and recruitment. You might hear phrases like the candidate list or a qualified candidate. If you're interviewing for a new job, you are the candidate and the people interviewing you are looking to hire the best candidate. You could say, "We're interviewing a number of candidates this week," or "They're looking for a candidate with great experience," or "This candidate stands out among the others." You might also say the Human Resources Department is reviewing the applications from all the candidates. So to recap, a candidate is a person applying for a job, and synonyms like applicant and contender help to understand its use. Antonyms such as incumbent and employee show its opposing ideas. Remember that candidate is a common word, so paying attention to how it is used will definitely improve your vocabulary. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. Remember to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss out on future word explorations, and please leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and improve their English. And now it's your turn. Create your own sentence about candidate and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read your creative examples. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you next time.